My name is Malaika Mozam. My roll number is 14 and I'm from the Department of BS Biotechnology. Today my topic of presentation is nanotechnology. So here are contents. Firstly, I will tell you about introduction, then what can nanotechnology do, effects of nanotechnology, characteristics, social impacts, advantages, disadvantages. Nanotechnology might improve drug delivery. Drug delivery technology important to pharma industry, nanotechnology in medicine, nanotechnology role in drug discovery and nanotechnology treatment and therapy. Firstly, I will tell you about what is nanotechnology, the branch of technology that deals with dimension and tolerance of less than 100 nanometers, especially the manipulation of individual atom and molecules. A nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter, 10th time the diameter of a hydrogen atom. The diameter of human hair is on average 80,000 nanometers. The ordinary rules of physics and chemistry no longer apply. Material characteristics such as their color, strength, conductivity, and reactivity can differ subsequently between the nanoscale and the macro. Carbon nanotubes are 100 times stronger than steel, but they're times lighter. They're sometimes lighter. So next is what can nanotechnology do? Nanotechnology is inherent as having the potential to increase efficiency of energy has the potential to increase efficiency of energy consumption, help clean environment, solve major problems, massively increase manufacturing production at significant reduce costs. Products of nanotechnology will be smaller, cheaper, lighter, yet more functional and require less energy and fewer raw materials to manufacture, claim nanotech advocates. What is nanotechnology used? Nanotechnology at lower cost produces stronger and lighter wind turbines, improve fuel efficiency, and thanks to the thermal insulation of some nano components can save energy. The properties of some nanomaterial make them ideal for improving early diagnosis and the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases or cancers. Effects of nanotechnology on health and sanitation. Nanotechnology is already useful as a tool in healthcare research. In January 2005, researchers at the US Massachusetts Institute of Technology used optical tweezers, pair of tiny glass beads are brought together and moved apart using laser beams to study the elasticity of red blood cells that are infected with malaria parasites. The technique in helping research to better understand how malaria spread through body. And the next is characteristics of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology deal with putting together atom by atom with structures so small they are invisible to naked eye. It provides ability to create material devices and systems with fundamentally new function and properties. The application of nanotechnology commonly incorporate industrial, medicinal, and energy uses. These include more durable construction material, therapeutic drugs delivery, and higher density hydrogen fuel cells that are environmentally friendly. Social impacts of nanotechnology. The social impact of new technologies are easy to identify but hard to measure or predict. Nanotechnology will have significant social impacts in the area of military applications, intellectual property issues, such as well as having an effect on labor government. Major benefits of nanotechnology include improved manufacturing methods, water purification system, energy system, and physical enhancement nanomedicines. And next is advantages of nanotechnology. Advances in diseases treatment such as cancer, better imaging and diagnostic equipment, improvement in manufacturing that allow for durable, lightweight, efficiency production tool efficient energy efficient products such as fuel and solar cells, improve electronic devices including transistors, LED and plasma displays, and quantum computers. Nanorobots can be used to rebuild the ozone layer, clean polluted areas, and lessen dependence on non-renewable energy resources. And next is disadvantages of nanotechnology. Potential dangers to human and environmental, loss of manufacturing and agriculture jobs, the cost of research and products made from nanoparticles, improve atomic weaponry, economic market crashes related to a potential lower value of oil due to more efficient energy sources, and gold or diamond materials that can be produced with molecular manipulation, accessibility of weapon of mass destruction. So the next is nanotechnology might improve drug delivery. But nanotechnology could also one day lead to cheaper, more reliable system for drug delivery. For example, materials that are built on nanoscale can provide encapsulation system that protect and secret the enclosed drug in a slow and controlled manner. They could, they could be valuable solution in countries that don't have adequate storage facilities and distribution network, and for patients on complex drug regimens who cannot attend the time or money to travel long distances for a medical visit. It is drug delivery technology important to pharma industries. Drug delivery formulation involve low cost research compared therefore discovery of new molecule. Delivery system increase commercial opportunity by distinguish a drug from competitive threats posed by me too drugs. Novel mean of delivery, particularly using nano carriers, can allow branded drugs to be rescued from waves of generic competition. Nanotechnology in medicine. These include advancement in imaging and diagnostic tools, drug delivery system, treatment practices, antimicrobial options, and cell regeneration. Researchers are currently developing ways to use nanoparticles to deliver medication directly to specific cells. This is especially promising for the treatment of cancer cells, as chemotherapy and radiation treatment and cause damage to affected and healthy cells. Targeted drug therapies deliver medication directly into the affected cells, increasing efficiency and decreasing potential side effects. Micromanipulation of nanoparticles can enrich to attract affected cells, which can also aid in early diagnosis of diseases such as cancer. Nanotechnology in drug delivery. So, here one application of nanotechnology in medicine currently being developed involves applying nanoparticles to drug delivery. Heat or light or other substances to specific type of cells. Particles are engineered so they are attracted to diseases cells, which allow direct treatment of those cells. This technique reduces damage to healthy cells in body and allow for easier detection of diseases. For example, researchers at North Carolina State University are developing a method to deliver cardiac stem cells to damaged heart tissue. They attach nanovesicles that are attached to an injury to stem cell to increase the amount of stem cell delivered to an injured tissue. Nanotechnology in diagnostic technique. Researchers are at Worcester Polytechnic Institute are using antibodies attached to carbon nanotubes in chips to detect cancer cells in body stream. The researchers believe this method could be used in simple lab tests that could provide early detection of cancer cells in bloodstream. A test for early detection of kidney damage is being developed. The method uses gold nanorods functionalized to attach to the type of protein generated by damaged kidney. When protein accumulated on nanorod, the color of nanorod shifts. The test is designed to be done quickly and inexpensively for early detection of a problem. Next is nanotechnology in antibacterial treatment. Researchers at University of Houston are developing a technique to kill bacteria using gold nanoparticles and infrared light. This method may led to improved cleaning of instruments in hospital setting. Researchers at University of Florida builders are investigating use of quantum dots to treat antibiotic resistant infection. Nanotechnology in wound treatment. Researchers at University of Wisconsin have demonstrated a bandage that applies electrical pulses to a wound using electricity produced by nanogenerators worn by the patient. For trauma patients with intensity bleeding, another way to reduce the blood loss is needed. Researchers at Western Reserve are developing polymer nanoparticles that act as synthetic platelets. Lab tests have shown that injection of the synthetic platelets significantly reduce blood loss. Next is nanotechnology in cell repair. Nanorobots could actually be programmed to repair specific disease cells functionally in a similar way to antibodies in our natural healing process. Nanotechnology in company directory, company product, cytidine, blue willow. Gold nanoparticle for target delivery of drugs to tumor, blue willow, nano emulsion for nasal delivery to fight viruses or through the skin to fight bacteria. Next is nanotechnology role in drug discovery. The drug discovery has become such a competitive market that discover drug discovery has become such a competitive market that it continues faces a challenge to find better discovery technologies. This industry has to discover and develop innovative medicines for a wide range of diseases in a marketplace that is likely to experience growing regulatory challenges, pricing pressure, and various other bottlenecks. Currently, nearly all pharmaceutical companies follow common technology processes for discovering drugs. These include cloning and expressing human receptors and enzymes in formats that allow high throughput automated screening and the application of combinatorial chemistries. The genomic and proteomics resolution has delivered massive amount of data about life's molecular component, giving the drug discovery industry more qualified targets alerts than even before. Next is nanotechnology treatment and therapy. Nanotechnology offers a mean to target chemotherapies directly and selectively to cancerous cells and neoplasms, guiding surgical resections of tumors, and enhance therapeutic efficacy of radiation based and other current treatment modalities. Research on nanotechnology cancer therapy extends beyond drug delivery into the question of new therapeutic available only through use of nanomaterial properties. Although small, Although small compared to cells, nanoparticles are large enough to encapsulate many small molecule compounds, which can be of multiple types. At the same time, the relatively large surface area of nanoparticle can be functionalized with ligands including small molecule DNA or RNA strands, peptides, aptamers, or antibodies. These ligands can be used for therapeutic effect or to direct nanoparticle effect in vivo. These properties enable combination drug delivery, multimodality treatment, and combined therapeutic and diagnose such as therapeutic action. The physical properties of nanoparticles, such as energy absorption and radiation, can also be used to disrupt diseased tissue, as in laser ablation and hyperthermia applications. So, there are references, and so that's all from my side. Thank you so much.